Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by working with slightly damp curls because moisture reduces frizz and helps the clip hold shape. Use a medium banana clip, plastic with smooth teeth, to prevent snags. Once the clip is open, gather hair into a low, loose ponytail at the nape and lightly finger comb through to remove big tangles. Make sure not to pull too tight so natural curl pattern stays intact. These first steps set tension and placement for a secure, comfortable hold. With the clip open, slide the bottom teeth under the hair at the base of the ponytail so it supports weight rather than pinching. Next, twist or fold hair upward in 1 or 2 loose turns. Keep loops intact to preserve curl shape. This creates lift and prevents flattening. Once folded into the clip, slowly close it while feeling for even tension across the scalp. If a section slips, reopen and reposition slightly higher or lower to balance hold and volume. To finish, ease a few tendrils out around the face to soften the style and check symmetry in a mirror. This small adjustment makes the look intentional. If any ends stick out, tuck them and add 1 or 2 bobby pins discreetly for reinforcement. Make sure to move your head. If the clip feels loose, dampen the roots slightly to increase friction or switch to a larger banana clip for fuller hair. If pain occurs, reopen and reposition to relieve pressure immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.